Looking for the best pet grooming gloves? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 pet grooming gloves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Pat Your Pet Grooming Glove. Effectively desheds dogs, cats, and horses. Customers rave over how much their animals enjoy being petted with this gentle glove. Fits most hands well with the adjustable wristbands. An excellent choice if you are looking for a grooming glove specifically for de-shedding. Fur is difficult to peel off glove. Loose fur can fly out when removing hair from glove. At number 2. Delomo Pet Grooming Glove. Collects an incredible amount of fur for de-shedding. Comes with an adjustable wrist strap. Works smoothly as bathing gloves. Most animals enjoy the feel of the gentle massage. Comes with left and right gloves. An exceedingly popular pair of grooming gloves that blows away the competition when it comes to quality and value. Hair can be difficult to get off glove. Does not work as well for short-haired breed as it does for the long-haired. At number 1. HandsOn Gloves. Rubber nodules attack dust and mud as well as unwanted hair. Customers claim their pets loved getting groomed by this gentle product. Distributes oils to give your pet healthy skin and coat. The collected fur can be easily removed from the gloves simply by rubbing hands together. An outstanding pair of grooming gloves built for multifunctional use on various animals. The gloves do not deshed hair as thoroughly as some other products. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.